Top 5 MBA colleges in India that do not require the CAT score. CAT, Common Admission Test, is not the only exam that you need to pass to get admission in India's premier B schools. There are many top MBA colleges in India that will accept you based on MAT, XAT, NMAT by GMAC or GMAT scores. Let's look at the top 5 among these. IILM, Institute for Higher Education, New Delhi. The IILM Institute for Higher Education New Delhi is not only among the top MBA colleges but also among those that follow a liberal admission procedure. The institute conducts its own entrance test, followed by a group discussion and personal interview for selecting candidates. Further, the college also accepts CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT and GMAT scores while shortlisting candidates. IILM also has a reputation of providing placement assistance to all its students. Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Pune. If you're looking to pursue your MBA degree from a college that offers all-round development programs, go for the Symbiosis Institute of Business Management. It offers MBA in various specializations such as business management, personnel management, industrial relations, and advertising. Symbiosis accepts the SNAP score for shortlisting candidates and is not as tricky and tough as the CAT. At Symbiosis, you get the space to indulge in co-curricular activities along with pursuing your education. SVKMs, NMIMs, Mumbai. Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai is one of the coolest B schools in the country that doesn't require a CAT score for admission. The college conducts its own entrance test known as NMAT by GMAC, an upcoming exam whose scores are also accepted by many other B schools. The campus life of this college is known for its fun-loving yet evolved nature. So, if you're searching for some option other than the CAT, going for the NMAT by GMAC will be worth a shot. IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, New Delhi. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Delhi is an autonomous B school in India and the only one of its kind to make its mark in the field of international trade. This college is known worldwide for its flagship program, Master of Business Administration in International Business. It also offers management development programs, certificate courses, and executive programs for working professionals. IIFT conducts its own entrance test, where the minimum eligibility is a graduation degree in any discipline. Once you get admission in this college, there is no looking back, as it will pave your way to a promising future. Xavier Institute of Management, Jamshedpur. Finally, the top spot is reserved for the Xavier's Institute of Management, Jamshedpur. It needs no introduction and has a reputation for continually staying in the list of top 10 B schools in India. This college has proved its excellence by providing the right mix of faculty, facility, and curriculum according to the prevailing market trends and has been in the process of grooming students to make them industry ready for future corporate challenges. This college accepts the XAT score for admission, and you don't even need to have 50% marks in graduation to appear for the XAT exam. Worth a shot. So there you have it, the top 5 B schools in India for which you do not need to take the CAT. Which one will you go for? Let us know through your comments.